In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form inside Circle. So, whether you're looking to gather feedback, conduct surveys, or simply keep your community engaged, forms are a powerful tool to have at your disposal. Let's dive in and explore how you can set up your own. First, you'll need to log into your Circle.so account. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to the Circle.so website, and enter your login credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now, it's time to head over to the specific space within Circle where you want this form to live. Look at the options laid out on your dashboard and click on Spaces in the left sidebar. This will display all the spaces you currently have access to. Hover your mouse over the space you want to use for this form. Once you see the option to enter the space, go ahead and click on it. With the right space open, we can move on to creating the post that will house your form. In this view, you'll notice a button labeled Create Post located at the top right corner of the interface. Click on this button to bring up the post editor, an essential tool for creating content on Circle. Here in the post editor, you'll need to get familiar with adding elements to your post. Look for a little plus icon, usually found within the editor interface. Click on this icon, which will then present you with several content options. Your focus here is to select Form, which will incorporate a form into the post you're preparing. Now let's give your form a bit of character by adding a title and a description. This is crucial as it sets the tone for your audience, letting them know what to expect and what information you're seeking. Think carefully about the title and description, as this is the first piece of content your audience will view. Next, it's time to think about how many fields you'll need. For each piece of data you want to collect, you'll have to repeat the step of adding a new field. Simply follow the same steps of selecting a field type and adding it to your form until you've set up all the sections you think necessary for your form's objective. If any of your fields require mandatory information, there's an option to make them required. Look for a toggle switch next to each field you created. By activating this switch next to a field, you're ensuring that respondents can't skip it. With everything set and reviewed, it's finally time to make your form go live. Head back to the top right corner of your screen and click Publish. Don't overlook this step. Publishing makes your form accessible to your community. And there you have it. You've successfully formatted and launched a form inside Circle. So, now you can engage with your audience in dynamic and interactive ways. Thank you for joining me on